Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Mastering English Conversations. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're diving into one of the most important, yet often overlooked parts of learning English: small talk.
Exactly. Small talk is what helps you connect with people, start conversations, and sound more natural in daily life. It's not just about words, it's about building relationships.
Small talk might sound small, but it's a big part of communication. Whether you're at work, a cafe, or meeting someone new, those first few minutes of light conversation help people feel comfortable.
Right. And it can open the door to deeper, more meaningful discussions later. Even something simple like, "How's your day going?" Or, "I love your coffee mug," can start a friendly exchange.
Let's go over a few easy and safe small talk topics. Weather. It's really hot today, isn't it? Work or studies? How's your project going? Weekend plans. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Food or drinks? That coffee smells great. What's in it? Compliments. I like your shirt. Where did you get it?
And remember, you don't have to talk about yourself all the time. Asking questions keeps the conversation going and shows that you're interested in others.
Here are a few quick tips to make your small talk sound more natural. Use follow-up questions. Don't just say, "Nice weather." Add something like, "Yeah, it's finally sunny after all that rain." Show emotion. Use your tone and expressions. Smile, laugh, or nod to show engagement. Listen actively. People can tell when you're really listening. Respond to what they say instead of jumping to a new topic.
And practice small talk in English every day. Even short conversations with strangers can help your confidence grow.
Here's a fun challenge for our listeners. Start one small talk conversation this week in English.
It could be with a classmate, coworker, or even your barista. Try using one of today's expressions and notice how people respond.
That's it for today's episode. Remember, big conversations often start with small talk.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
See you next time on Mastering English Conversations.